watching out for you. This is Storm Team 8.
Icy night here across West Michigan. Freezing drizzle continues to fall right now in Grand Rapids. This is a look at 131 near the S-curve. Now keep in mind, traffic here looks like it's moving along at a decent clip, 40-45 miles per hour, perhaps just a touch under the posted speed limits. But we've got a lot of residual salt, chemicals that are left over from the last time we had snow, plus crews are out tonight taking care of the roadways. And so some of these more traveled roads may not be that bad overnight. But you get out in the countryside where we already have compressed wet snow in some spots, or compressed snow that's ready to be wet with light rain coming in. Those are going to be really icy spots here toward daybreak tomorrow morning. Out to the lakeshore now in Holland. It's kind of tough to pick out here on this camera shot, but we have the lights here on the far side of the parking lot shining down over what looks like crusty ice. Crusty snow, I should say, crusted with a little bit of freezing rain that's fallen here in the Holland area over the last several hours. Icy roads out there, icy sidewalks, parking lots, that's what I was looking for, and your driveway. So be very, very careful here. I was just outside Wood Studio. Everybody's windshield and hood, railings going upstairs, totally coated with ice right now because of the freezing drizzle that continues to fall here across West Michigan. These colors that you see, the very light purple, the very light rain, representing light amounts of precipitation. But the thing you have to keep in mind, it only takes several hundredths of an inch of precip as freezing rain to make things pretty slick out there, and that's what we have. Tracking the back edge of this, even though it seems to continue to regenerate itself, goes from just west of Port Sheldon in toward Grand Rapids here. I'm going to give it at least another hour and a half, but we could see additional freezing rain behind that. We're starting to be in the clear, though, for parts of southwestern Michigan. Look at these temperatures. Kalamazoo now at 32. That's good. 34 in Holland. 33 South Haven, 34 in Benton Harbor. So you go south of Grand Haven and west of Battle Creek, we're done with freezing rain here for the night. In fact, as temperatures continue to warm, we'll see what icing accumulation that's out there continue to melt. This freezing line will move northward. We're pretty close here in Grand Rapids. I think we'll pick up a little bit more light freezing rain here, but the areas I'm concerned with, you go inland just a little bit and then Greenville northward. For the drive to work tomorrow, we still may be cool enough here north of this yellow line that we see some slick roads, continued icing early tomorrow morning, 7, 8, 9 o'clock. The rest of us, it ought to melt and we should be in the clear. So it's an important distinction to make here across parts of West Michigan. By 6 a.m., here you can see it. A little bit of purple left here in temperatures just below freezing. That's the icy zone for the drive to work tomorrow. Now keep in mind, between now and then, it's going to be icy for everybody. Precip starts to wind down here through the day tomorrow. And what's left? Just rain, liquid rain falling on an unfrozen ground. Icy roads overnight, though, keep that in mind. North of I-96, like I just showed you, Greenville, Montcalm County, Newaygo County, Mecosta County, you have the chance for icy roads even after sunrise tomorrow, and perhaps some school delays or cancellations and a tough drive to work. The rest of Monday, Tuesday, though, quite mild with rain. Temperatures fall quickly with an aggressive cold front on Wednesday, and that leads to lake effect snow Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Larry.
Thanks, Kyle.